Hello guys, I say find difficult playing your worship on key F. In this video, I'm going to break it down how to play simple worship progression on keyboard using the key F. Majorly, most worship, you find your Do, your Fa, your So, back to your Do. You understand? As a beginner, you can play any worship with this very progression. That's your 1, your 4, and your 5. Let me use this worship song as an example. We lift your name higher. We lift your name higher. We lift your name higher. Above all names. You see, with this very progression, you can play most songs. The most important thing is for you to have that music ear, to know when to go to your Do, your Fa, your So, and your Do. Hope this very tutorial helps you. Thank you guys. Please don't forget to follow, like, drop your comments. See you in my next tutorial. Bye.